friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Shivani. Today in this video I am going to talk about a big problem that that is causing a lot of stress for all the English learner. That is problem of speaking broken English. Yes, there was a phase in my life when I struggle a lot with my broken English. I do a lot of fumbles, I make mistakes, I used to take pauses and I get stuck and find it difficult to complete a sentences when I try to speak in this language. Now, I can't claim that I am good in this language and I am fluent in this language. No, I do fumble, I make mistakes, but the number of making mistake had reduced to some extent. That is progress I made of speaking broken English, to which on the level to on the level which you are listening me right now. Yes, because of speaking broken English, this is how I am right now. So how I dealt with this problem, we are going to talk about in this video, that how I reduce this problem. So first of all, I would like to share some things to you guys, so that you might understand what it how it is works. So first of all, you are on the beginning phase of your learning journey, right? And because you are on a beginning phase, you might be make a lot of mistakes when you are trying to speak in this language, right? And but still you have courage. I really want to appreciate your courage. You are confident that you are still trying to speak in this language. Whether you are speaking good English or bad, it doesn't matter, but still you have courage to speaking this language. And you know what, it's a sign that you are passionate about to learning this language. And you get polished, your English, along with the you will get better at this language over time, with the time. First of all, now I would like to tell you how you can control this problem, how can you overcome this problem. So first of all, when you are first of all, try to speak slow English. Yes, when you are in your initial days, you have to start speaking with slow, you have to start speaking with simple sentences. We have a develop this mindset. We sound fluent when we talk, when we speak in this language very fast, right? We have set this type of mindset. No, there is totally wrong. When you are in your initial days, what you should do, you have to do that. Please keep it simple as you can. If you are speaking with slow and with simple sentences, you have enough time to think about what would be the other sentences. So it will really help you to make consistency. It will really help you to continue your talk in English. So please try to speak with slow, try to speak with simple English. Whatever English you have, just try to speak with other person in this language. And that is the way you might be face this problem, because you are trying to speak fast English at the very beginning stage. No, here you are making problem. Please speak with simple sentences and take it slow. And once you start speaking with your broken English, you get confident, and when you get confident you can speak this language with others, and due to this confident you get with broken your English, it will help you to improve your spoken skills. Yes, you can continue in this language with other people. So that is how it works. Please allow yourself that you can speak slow. There is no problem in this. No person will judge you by your slow English. They will judge you that if you are speaking good English but you are speaking slow, there is no problem in this. At least the person who speak to you understand you, that what are you meant, and that is the main problem. So please keep your English very simple at the beginning level, and gradually you will automatically improve by day and day. That is how it works. So that's all about in this video. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you.